For leave credit import, first, log in to the cloud portal. Go to the Settings menu. Then, under the Leave tab, select Leave Credit. Fill in the category. Leave, frequency, and other details as per your need. Click on the Leave Credit formula to set the formula as per your need. And click on Save Changes to save it. Then, click on Leave Credit Eligibility to set the formula as per your requirement. Then select Save Changes to save the formula settings. And click on Save. The leave credit process will be saved successfully.